Jasmine, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then hello, thank you for clicking on this video, and if you end up liking the video, then you might as well subscribe so that you won't miss any more of my videos. And for all the persons who are subscribed, hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys a simple tutorial on how to make a backpack. This backpack I actually styled in one of my recent videos, which I did some Valentine's Day outfits. I will link that video in the description below. But without making this intro any longer than it needs to be, let's just jump into the tutorial. So step one would be to draw the pattern for your bag, and I'll have the dimensions that I use down in the description box for you guys. So after you've drawn your pattern, you just trace it onto your cloth and cut out the pieces. The second step would be, well, what I chose to do was to start off with the zipper part, the top part of the bag. So what I did was I put the zipper and the cloth good side facing good side, and then I made sure that that line was right at the plastic part, so that when I sewed it down and flipped it over, it would be flush and all you would see would be the plastic part of the zip. And here you see the both parts of the top. So the next step would be the side part, using the side pocket and the side piece, and I just stitched them together so that it would be easier for me for the step that we are going in right now. So since you attach the side pocket and the side piece together, now we're just going to attach the side pieces to the front and the back of the bag so that we can have, well, the shape of the bag part. So I just lined up the pieces together and sewed a straight stitch across the line that I drew. Okay, so this is just me showing you guys how I decided to do a change in the middle of the process of making the bag. So the bag had a rounded top, but it wasn't working out for me, and so I decided that I was going to fold over that rounded top and make it into a more rectangular bag. And this was the best decision I could have made at that point in time. So I just folded the top part and then I folded the back part so that they would be the same length. It was just less stressful, to be honest. So these two long strips are what I'm going to be using for the straps. Cut them to the length that you want your strap to be most comfortable with. And this other strip is what I'm using for the hook of the bag. And I do a 1-2 fold and then a straight stitch down the middle to close it together, and you would do that to the straps as well. And after you do that, attach the straps to the top and the bottom of the bag around the back panel of the bag, and then you would do one straight stitch straight across the top and the bottom. To attach the top part of the bag, I just pinned it along the top, curving as I went along, and then sewed straight across. And that's the same thing I did for the bottom as well. As you see, I ensured that these straps were coming out the top, and then I pinned straight around the 4 parts of the bag, ensuring that the corners met up well and everything, and then I stitched around. This is the final bag, and I was just showing you guys that it wasn't perfect. It was looking a little crinkly, but I really loved it, and that added some character to my bag. Yeah. watching. If you enjoyed this video, then please remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I wanted to reach 130 subscribers by the end of February. I'm currently at 123 and we have 6 more days in the month. So guys, let's just get this channel to 130 subscribers by February 29th. I am depending on you guys. So subscribe to the AllThatJazz channel because there are a bunch of new videos coming. I say this every week and it is true because every week there are new videos being released. Yeah, so there is one thing I wanted to ask you guys to respond in the comment section. I want to know if you guys prefer movies or if you prefer books. For me, I actually prefer books. I don't know, they just give a little something. It allows me to envision the characters however I want them to look. So yeah, I prefer books. But yeah, this is the end of the video. Just let me know in the comment section, what do you guys prefer? So have a great day and have a great rest of your life. Bye guys.